Assalamualaikum. In a very good morning, we are from Group 2. We present about Immersive Marketing.
Hello everyone, and now I want to explain about what is immersive marketing. Immersive marketing is a modern strategy where brands create a interactive and engaging experience using the technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and 360 angle videos and the digital simulations. And not only that, instead of just showing advertisement, immersive marketing allows customers to feel, explore, and interact with a product or brand in a more realistic way. And also, this approach helps increase customer engagement, emotional connection, and brand loyalty in today's digital world.
Very good morning. Now I'm going to talk about real example of how company uses it today. Immersive marketing is all about creating experience that pull customers into a brand's world using technologies like AR, VR, or AI. For example, IKEA's AR app lets you see how furniture fits in your home, while Coca-Cola's Create Real Magic campaign allows fans to design digital Coke artwork using AI. Disney takes it even further with the Star Wars Hotel, where guests actually live inside the story. Sephora uses AR for virtual makeup try-ons, and Nike built a virtual world on Roblox called Nike Land to reach Gen Z. This campaign shows how immersive marketing makes customers not just viewers but participants, creating deeper engagement and stronger brand loyalty. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Vitiya, and I'll be explaining what immersive marketing means in a simple terms. Immersive marketing is basically about making customers feel like they are part of the brand experience, not just someone who is acting an advertisement. It uses modern technologies like augmented reality, which is AR, virtual reality, which is VR, and 360 videos to let people interact with products in a more realistic and fun way. So here, for example, which we can contribute is imagine. So if you want to buy a furniture, instead of just looking at pictures on a website, you can use your phone camera to see how that the furniture will look inside your living room. That's the meaning of the immersive marketing using the augmented reality. Another example which we can say is the virtual reality, where customer can wear a VR headset and walk inside a virtual store to explore product just like in a real life. The main idea is to make customers feel emotionally connected and engaged with the brand. It's more than just seeing an advertisement, it's about experience the brand. In the short, I can tell that immersive marketing helps people feel inside the brand, not only outside it. It makes the experience personal, memorable, and exciting. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Today I'll be talking about how immersive marketing affect customer experience. Immersive marketing use things like virtual reality or augmented reality to make people feel part of the brand's world. First, it creates real life feelings. Customer can see or try products before buying, which makes shopping more exciting. Second, it increases engagement. People spend more time exploring because the experience is fun and interactive. Third, it builds emotional connections. Customers do not just see a product, they feel it, and that helps them trust the brand more. In short, immersive marketing turns normal advertising into a real experience that people can enjoy and remember. Thank you. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Alright, next. Which company using is successful? Alright, I choose Nike. Nike is one of the leading brands using immersive marketing to connect with their customers in a creative way. One of their most popular projects is Nike Land, a virtual world created inside the gaming platform Roblox. In Nike Land, users can explore Nike brand environment, play games, and even try on digital Nike shoes and outfit for their avatars. This makes the experience more interactive and engaging, especially for younger audience like Gen Z, who spend a lot of time in online and in game space. Nike also use augmented reality, which is AR, in their shopping apps, where customers can virtually try on shoes using just their phone camera. These strategies can make customers feel more connected to the brand because they can experience Nike product in a fun, personal, and immersive way. That's why Nike is considered one of the most successful brands in using immersive marketing today. That's all from me. Thank you.
And with that, that's all from us. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.